The noise, disrupting the desert solitude of the Sonora, is frantic. Sweeping in like a massive wind, riding on a spiritual from the surrounding mountains, canyons, arroyos, and washes. It penetrates seemingly impervious barriers, and once inside, it builds. Gaining pressure, volume, and critical mass. As the moment of truth comes ever closer, the swelling roar plunges from the rafters to the court, swarming too quickly to sort, now swaggering at a decibel level unsafe for human life. The noise is unique, unlike anything we've ever heard or felt in this magical paradise. Colors emerge from the sonic waves. Red and blue, bathing and enveloping everything, engulfing McHale, pushing, urging, and driving the chosen few to unimaginable levels of success and accomplishment. Now sweet, the warm and tangible desert noise represents us all, young and old, students and teachers, family, friends. The stately palms and glimmering cacti, resplendent in the golden light of day, await outside as our opponents warily approach with reasoned trepidation. And the noise now calms and waits for the raging battle soon to come. The desert noise is a wildcat, roaming proudly, omnipresent throughout the old pueblo. It knows no boundaries, fears no evil, and is the loudest and most impactful at the most critical and needed times.